We absolutely love ReadyWise in this household. We have tried so many different varieties, and I'm going to be trying their freeze-dried bananas today. I'm super excited. So some of the things that you need to know about ReadyWise, this has, depending on what it is, like this one in particular, the bananas, has a shelf life up to 20 years. So we live in a hurricane zone. So having, freeze-dried food like this is so fantastic because sometimes, you don't know when you're going to have access to food. So being able to kind of put this away and store it for when it's needed is so great. Any kind of emergency, if you are camping, if you are hiking, being able to just carry. So now keep in mind, this is just bananas, but they do have like full meals where you just need to add water. And the cool thing with ReadyWise is, yes, in this case, thankfully, we do have access to hot water. But if you don't have hot water, you can actually do it with cold water as well. It just needs to sit in the water longer than it would in the hot water. So I'm going to be trying this banana. So this one here has 24 servings, and you have these pouches, and this is how it comes, and they are resealable, which is nice. And inside each pouch, you have 8 servings. This one said, the reason we're going to do this in a 2-part here, because this one said you can actually eat this right out of the bag, and I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. So this is what this looks like. So it says, may also be eaten directly from pouch. So let's say I don't have access to water, and I just want like a little banana. Let's see. I don't think I've ever had like a freeze-dried banana. Let's see. It smells like banana. Really good and really weird. I don't know. I didn't expect, I've had freeze-dried strawberries, but not bananas. What do you think, Walter? Does Walter like it? Walter likes banana. Oh, he's unsure. Did you see that? That's awesome. Okay, so I'm actually going to go ahead and put the hot water on this now, and we're going to see what they look like once they're done. Okay, so for this one in particular, it said that we needed to take a cup of boiling water. You can do this in a saucepan, but I'm just doing it right here. You want to put the boiling water over, and then we're going to go ahead and stir that, and then you want to cover it, and you want to let it sit for, this one said 10 to 12 minutes. So we're going to go ahead, and then obviously you want to let it cool down. It did also say like you're going to want to like strain it after you want to drain that water. So we're going to go ahead and do that, and then we're going to see what it's like when we come back. Okay, so you're supposed to strain the whole water, but like I just kind of wanted to scoop a few out, let it cool, and then try it for just because I was just too excited. And yeah, so the bananas been sitting there about 15 minutes. Yeah, like, it's just like, it tastes like a banana. I personally actually think I like them right out of the box. But, if you're going to put this on top of like cereal or oats or something like this, I think this is so fantastic. I'm definitely a fan. Let's see if Walter likes them warm. I bet he does. He definitely does. He's a banana fan. These are fantastic. Never had them before. And I am glad to have these in my stockpile.